All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. I am your host, Mario Dakers. Hopefully, you guys are having a good day. So, I have two updates. I have good news, and also I have a bit of bad news for you guys. Let's see how you guys. Hopefully, you guys can take it better than I am. Swelling dwell towards the good news, more likely dwell towards the good news. So, guys, remember smash the like button and also share this content to all your social media platform. And definitely, if you're here for the first time, please do and don't be afraid to subscribe. Now, we want to talk about two players. The two players are Liam Moore and Daniel Johnson. Now they played today, right? And as I said, good news, bad news. Let's see which one. I'm trying to weigh the odds. Which one of the news I should drop first? Just trying to weigh the odds. Good news, bad news. All right, so let's drop. Let's drop the good news. Let's drop the bad news first. We can't go in and end the day on a low. So we have to end the day on a high. So let's drop the bad news first. So the bad news is that Liam Moore got a horrible injury today. A one that's quite noticeable. Like you can't not see it. You just can't. Now let me get into more details. I wrote it down. It was a poor tackle, but the tackle was not how should I put it now? It was not a deliberate action, more likely an error. It was an error that the player went into the tackle. It's just that the player, when he went over, he missed. He went over on the ball and also went down on Liam Moore, and Liam Moore went down on his ankle. So let me give it to you guys. So Reggae Boy, it's large scream. Reggae Boy and that Reading skipper Liam Moore is down holding his ankle. A committed challenge as he tries to win the ball from Marriott, but he looks in a lot of play. So he was taken off at the 45-minute added time, injury time. Yeah, 45-minute injury time. He was in some discomfort. He was in some pain. It was evident based off how he was. Based off how he was behaving. Why didn't I bring it up? I just could have sworn I brought it up. Based on what I saw, how he was his reaction, holding on to that ankle. Definitely you could actually see the immense pain in his face. You could see the pain in his face. People, that's what I'm saying. You could see the pain in his face. But as I said, it was not a deliberate action, but the tackle was just unfortunate. It was really, really unfortunate. Now, my concern is how long will this ankle injury? You know, ankle injury is something that it can extend to an extended time period, and it also can be a short one. You have ankle injuries that run up to 4 to 5, in between 4, 5, 6 weeks, and you're back on the pitch, fully fit and ready. But you also know ankle injury that can last up to 4 months, up to 4 months. But the problem is that World Cup qualifiers is within the next 2 to 3 weeks. Within the next 2 to 3 weeks, less than a month, people. And will we have Liam Moore for those World Cup qualifiers? Will we have him for those World Cup qualifiers? At this point, people, based off his reaction, I am not sure if he will be back so soon. I am not sure. Maybe his reaction is just being a bit of disappointment that the injury occur. Also, it could be that he know that it's that serious. You could see that he was in discomfort. He was assisted coming off the pitch. And once you see a player not coming off by themselves, you know, it's quite worrying. He was limping off, literally jumping on the other foot. Ooh, hopefully he's okay. I'm praying that he's okay, because he's a player that we will need for the World Cup qualifiers in coming in October. Hopefully we can do without him. Hopefully, just hopefully. But in all aspects, we need all our players to be fit and rearing to go. So that is it for Liam Moore. Get well, rest up, come back stronger than ever. Definitely. Hopefully he can recuperate within 2 weeks. Hopefully he can recuperate within 2 weeks. I'm hoping that he can recuperate within 2 weeks. Why did I close that page? So the next news is people, as I said, ending on a good note, Daniel Johnson. A lovely goal from Daniel Johnson. Let me see. I don't know why I couldn't get that vivid image up. I don't know why I couldn't get the vivid image up. So Daniel Johnson, Preston Norton, they were actually one being led 1-0 in at the time, and Daniel Johnson, a ball from the defender straight down in the attacking lineup. Daniel Johnson breaking forward, latch onto the ball, head towards the goal, and he slotted it home, beating the keeper. As I said, people, a lovely goal from Daniel Johnson. Something that anyone you'd love to see. I'm trying to get a vivid image. No, I won't get it. But people, Preston North and fighting to come back into the game at this point in time. Now, the scoreline is 2-1. They face off against Sheffield United. As I'm speaking, the scoreline is 2-1. Daniel Johnson, they scored after that. So these guys are actually trying their best. And no, my bad. It ended 2-2. Just saw the result, people. The game ended 2-2. But a lovely goal from Daniel Johnson, which means that they came back in the goal. So it was first goal from Sheffield United. Daniel Johnson scored back. Then Sanderberg, you guys know Sanderberg, quality midfielder. And then now on the time moment, Emil rescored. I didn't see the last 4 minutes of the game because I'm doing the video. So definitely Daniel Johnson goal to carry them back into the game. See, I'm not sure why I'm not showing. This is what I wanted to show you guys. I had to show you guys this because yes, the celebration. I cannot believe I was not showing you guys the celebration. The celebration, that's a part of it, right? Ain't that a part of it? I believe that's a part of it. But good performance. What I saw before, prior to, it was a good performance. I was actually watching this game. Then I got the update about Leon Moore injury. And I went back and watched and saw the clips of what that was happening and how the injury occurred. But hopefully, Liam Moore's back. Daniel Johnson, lovely goal, over the top, run onto the defenders. Oh, if you guys want to see the goal is actually on my Instagram right now. What I'm going to do with that Instagram, I'm going to put it in the pin comment. You guys can go and see that goal. It will be in the pin comment. And at the same time, just follow the Instagram page. It's on my Instagram. I'm going to send the video straight to the Instagram page, people. So, guys, thank you very much, people, for tuning in. Oh, guys, please remember, guys, do not go without hitting that like button. Do not go without hitting that like button, people. I really appreciate you guys. And also hit the subscribe button as well, people. Please, if you're here for the first time, I know so many of you guys are watching this channel and are not haven't subscribed to the channel, and I would really appreciate it if you guys do so. So great performance so far from Daniel Johnson. Didn't get to see the latter stages of the game because I wanted to do the video. But guess what? The game ended in good news at 2-2. Daniel Johnson got them back into the game, which is a positive. And Liam Moore, hopefully you come back fully fit and strong, and you are ready. Hopefully come back in time as well for the World Cup qualifiers. So guys, definitely good talking to you guys. And you know what? I'm out.